it is really important to watch marathon before taking class, cause आप समझ जाओगे कि जो टीचर है और आप है आपके बीच में और टीचर के बीच में वो जो बॉन्ड है वो बैठ रहा है कि नहीं बैठ रहा, क्योंकि हर एक टीचर का अपना अपना तरीका होता है पढ़ाने का. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope so you all are doing well and your study is also going well. So in today's video we are going to talk about, if you're thinking to take paid lecture, then what should be preferable. So if you're new here, then please subscribe. Myself Sheetal Bhatt, I used to make content regarding CS and I'm basically a CS executive student also. So let's start our video. In today's video, we are going to talk about the paid lecture which should be purchased, for CS executive. So first of all, let's start with our group 1. So our group 1 consists of 4 subjects. First one is JIGL, Jurisprudence, Interpretation and Journal Laws. And our second one is SBEC, Setting Up of Business Entity and its Closure. Third one is Company Law. And fourth one is Tax Law. If you talk about JIGL, then JIGL is interesting subjects for those who have interest towards law, and I would recommend SBEC and JIGL from Shubham Modi sir, which is from Unique Academy. Then if you talk about company law, according to me, company law is best from Praveen Chaudhary sir, cause he has very depth conceptual clarity regarding company law. And if we talk about taxes, then taxes is best from Vivek Gaba sir. I have a basic guidance for you which is really important before taking class. Before taking class from any teacher, please visit their marathons so that you can try them. It is really important to watch marathon before taking class, cause आप समझ जाओगे कि जो टीचर है और आप है आपके बीच में और टीचर के बीच में वो जो बॉन्ड है वो बैठ रहा है कि नहीं बैठ रहा, क्योंकि हर एक टीचर का अपना अपना तरीका होता है पढ़ाने का. So I would recommend that. And for group 2, I will make another video. So तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care and मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye.